Ring, ring. Oh, hey, I just wanted to tell you about this fabulous color that I'm looking at. Welcome to the Practical Guide to Color Mixing workshop. In this course, you'll learn about color theory, pigments, as well as a fail-safe step-by-step process to mix any color. I want you to imagine that you are trying to describe this color here to someone that you're speaking to over the phone, and they can't see it at all. Identify and simplify. That's the first rule of color matching. I think that's right on the money. I was able to get what I wanted by trusting the process. So I personally use this type of exercise in my own practice all the time. And I'm always asking myself, why do I like this? Why don't I like this? Why is this working? Or why is this not so successful? And I'll make little variations on either the value or the saturation. Maybe I need to add in more of the complement. So I'm gonna show you a step-by-step process so that you can always mix any color that you want. You'll walk away with your own color wheel, your own neutrals chart, your own color match chart from a famous work of art, as well as your own custom color charts. Okay, now we're ready to mix. Anyways, yeah, so that's it. Bye!